Hi, this is Mr. Chang. This is a tutorial on the Author Study Project, and for this recording, I'm going to show you how to access Google Keep. And using Google Keep, we will store information to create note cards and source cards. So let's begin. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up your web browser. I'm going to open up Safari. And now that I'm in, I'm going to log into my Google account. Okay, that took a little bit longer, but we're in. I need to sign my wife out. All right, and then now I'm going to sign in. So I'm signing in with my account information. Save. And now I'm signed in. Next, on the top where we can type in our website addresses, the website that you're going to want to go to is keep.google.com. Keep.google.com, and that will send you to Google Keep. All right, now we're on Google Keep, and as you can see, there are these basically cards or notes that Google Keep keeps track of. Some of them are white, some of them are colored, and I put basically information on these cards. You can change the format of this. You can change it into list view to make it look like a list. You can change it back up on the top right here to grid view again. And with both views, you can actually rearrange your cards. All right, so for the author study project, you actually have to create note cards and source cards. These white cards here, these are all your note cards. They contain different topics, and for each topic, there are pieces of information that we found about that topic. So on your author study project, you must come up with at least 5 different topics. The 5 that I have here are education, accomplishments, family, personal interests, and personal information. There are many more topics that you can choose from, and those can be found on page 3 of your author study project. For each topic, you must have at least 5 different facts or 5 different pieces of information. So, for example, personal interest, I have 5 different pieces of information. For accomplishments, I actually have 8. Okay, you must have at least 5. In addition to your note cards, you must have source cards. And as you can see here, I have source 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And under each of these, I have a link of my source, where I got my information from. You will also see, for example, underneath the link is a date. This date is the date that you accessed this link. So this link I accessed May 5th. Source 4, which is this link, I accessed May 10th, so on and so forth. You must also have at least 5 sources. So the key number here is 5. 5 topics, 5 pieces of information per topic, and 5 sources. All right, to add a new note card, all you have to do is go to this space right here. And as you'll see a title, and you will see where you can add your information. Let's pretend that we are looking up information right now on a certain author. What I'm going to do is create a new tab. So right now I have 2 tabs open. I have my Google Keep, and okay, now I have my 2 tabs open, and my second tab is opened up to Google. I'm going to look up an author because that's what we're doing. We're researching our author, Jack London. And when I go to Jack London, I can see many different links here, all of which will probably provide some information. And let's take a look at this link right here. Jack London, a brief biography. Okay, now that I'm here, I can see a lot of good information right here. All right, and when I look through right here, I notice this little fact. Between 1900 and 1916, he completed more than 50 fiction and nonfiction books, hundreds of short stories, and numerous articles. Several of his books and many of his short stories are classics and still popular. Some have been translated into as many as 70 languages. Okay, this sounds like different accomplishments. I'm going to take this information and put this into my Google Keep. I've already created an accomplishment, and all I have to do right here is click on this, add number 10, and some of his works have been translated into 70 different languages. So now I have another fact, my 10th fact for accomplishments. And I need to add that into my source as well. So what I'll do is to create a new card. This will be my 6th source, so I'll call this source 6, title it source 6, and I have to copy this and paste it here, and I'll add the date that I accessed, today's date. Okay, done. Source 6. And I'll make this a new color. So there we go. I have my 6th source. I added it over here. The fact that I got from there. And that's it. If you wanted to create a new note card, you just put the title, and let's say that I wanted to add another topic. Maybe role models. I would put my facts here, 1, 2, 3, blah 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 blah. And when I was done, hit done, and I'll have another note card here, role models. And that's pretty much it. All you have now are your note cards and your source cards in one conveniently located place. If you want to delete anything, you just go to the note card, these 3 dots right here, delete the note. That's it. And again, I like mine as a list view. It's a little helpful. But if you want, you can leave it as a grid view. That's it. And anytime you want to access your Google Keep, you just have to log into your Google account and then go to keep.google.com, and you'll have all your notes in one place.